Investors need to wait. Flips will always happen, they'll always be there, but if you buy a flip in a downtrending market, your after repair value can decrease dramatically. What happens is if you wait and you stay patient, or you could find a deal right now to find it in 6 months, but understanding that the market value may not be where it is today and wait out the process, something that as an investor I would be doing. Secondly, if I'm a buy and hold investor, starting to get a little more aggressive because more people are sitting on the sidelines because rates have went up and payments went up. You can buy the property and refinance down the road. You can buy down the rate. There's a million different things we can do to get our payment where it needs to be over time versus saying rates are too high, numbers make no sense. Yeah, they don't make sense today, but in 2, 3, 4 years when I refinance, they may make sense. So it still lands me a property that cash flows. At the end of the day, I'm saying wait to flip property, be aggressive on holding property. And I think it's two different things.